Excuse me, officer.
Captain, I've got a situation on my hands and I need your help. A vertebrate's taken heavy damage and has made an emergency landing. We can't afford to lose that bird. I need you to bring this repair kit to the pilot so they can try and get it flying again. What do you say?
Sure, I can do that.
I knew I could count on you. Here's the toolkit. Just hand it over to the pilot and they'll do the rest. If anything takes out that vertibird, or the pilot dies, the mission's foobar. Watch your back out there.
You hit like a rat roach.
Thanks, sir. I'll get the vertibird back in the air in no time. You should let the lieutenant know.
Did you get that vertibird?
I got the job done.
I knew you could pull through. Thanks again. You really bailed me out there.